Hi, my name is Sky, and today I was going to show you how to make a galaxy in a bottle or in a jar, and it looks like this. It's pretty cool. It's got glitter, and it just looks like a nebula, and you can see that there's two different colors. So all you're going to need is a cup of water, some cotton balls. You can get 100 count. You won't be using them all. A plastic or glass container or jar that has a lid. I would use a plastic one just so it won't be as easy to break. And you're going to need some paint. You can either use some washable paint or acrylic paint, whichever one you have. The ones in the squirt bottles will be easier to use, but I have these. So this one's a purple one, and I'm going to use a pink one and a blue one. And you're also going to need some glitter. I have a silver glitter here. And also you're just going to need a stick or something to push down the cotton balls. And so the first step is to fill your container with a third of water. So I have my cup of water right here, and you're just gonna fill it about a third. It's about right there of water. And then you're gonna choose your first color of paint. So I think I'm going to use, let's do some of the blue one. So mine does not squirt, so I'm just going to pour a little bit. You don't need too much, just a little bit. Maybe that's about good. Just like that. And then you're going to put the lid back on. Make sure that it's tight. And then you're going to shake it up until it looks like this. And you see it's like some blue water. And then you're going to open it up again. And you're going to add some glitter. Be really careful because it can get everywhere. So you're going to open up your glitter. I'm going to pour some glitter in there. And you can pour as much glitter as you want. I'm going to pour that much. I like mine to be really glittery. So then I'm going to close it back up again. And I would also have like a paper towel or something that you can wipe up just in case it spills a little bit. Let's see here. Okay. So now we have some glittery silver water. And so now we're going to add some cotton balls. Let me open it really carefully. Okay. So now you want to take some cotton balls and you want to pull it apart a little bit like that. And then you're just going to drop it in there. Do that to a few of them and you can see it kind of soaks into the water. See? And it's going to just go in like that. And you're going to do it, I've already done 3 so far. Pull it apart, stick it in there. Pull it apart, stick it in there. You're going to keep doing that. And then what you're going to take your stick. You're kind of just going to push it down. Looks like I need more. So you want to kind of fill it up so that there's not too much water surrounding it. So let's see. I'm going to take more, throw it in there, more, spread it out, and okay, so then I add that. I'm going to take my stick and squish it down, squish it down, squish it down, squish it down. And I'm going to add a little bit more of the cotton balls because it still looks a little bit watery. So I'm going to add a little bit more. And then I think for the next color, I think I'm going to do pink this time. And just dropping it in there. And let's see. I'm just going to stick it down. Sometimes it gets stuck, but that's okay. Okay, so then that looks about good. So now we're just going to do the same thing over again. We're going to add a little bit more water. And then, let's see here. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of water. Be careful. We're going to add more water. About 2/3 full now. And then this time we're going to add some paint. So now I'm going to do the pink one. This is my pink one. And I'm going to add a little bit of that. So now we're gonna do that. The pink one, it's gonna be the same thing as the first time. So we're just gonna pour a little bit in there. The pink. A little bit more. Okay, that seems good. There's not a specific amount that you have to put in there. And I'm gonna put my glitter. I'm gonna put a lot more glitter now this time. And I'm just gonna pour some glitter in there. That's good. I'm gonna take my stick and I'm gonna stir it up. And as you can see, the colors are starting to mix. Right there, it looks kind of cool. I'm gonna stir it up with my stick. And then we're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna start adding more cotton balls. Okay. Now I'm gonna add more cotton balls, do the same thing, pull them apart, and then stick them in the jar. So we're gonna pull it apart, stick it down. Apart. Soak it, push it down, make sure that it's getting soaked up by the water. And so now it's starting to look pretty cool, like that. And then we're going to keep adding more. I think that should be good. And then we're going to push it down a bit so that it's soaked up by the water. That looks like that. And then we're going to add the rest of the water and some more paint. This time I'm going to use a purple one. So I'm going to fill it up to the rest. About right there. So that looks pretty cool. I'm not sure if you can see that, but you can see like the glitter. Kind of looks like clouds. There you go. So now we're going to add the last color, which is purple. And I'm going to add some of that inside. That's good. Yeah, so there's no specific amount that you have to put in. You can just kind of eyeball it. And then you want to take this and mix it around. So my purple kind of looks like my pink, but that's okay. So, and then don't forget to add the glitter. Let's mix this up a little bit first. Alrighty, so now we're going to add some glitter. My glitter. And I'm going to pour some more in there. There we go. And then mix it all up. Okay, we're going to keep pulling it apart, sticking them in there. Pulling them apart, sticking them in there. And there you go. And then I'm going to stick the cap back on. And then there you go. You have a little galaxy in a jar. And what you can do is you can draw little stars on them or anything like that, but I think it looks pretty cool. And the colors do stay like that because of the cotton balls. And yeah, that is how to make a galaxy in a jar.